calling us a foreigner in our continent. And they're vandalizing our shops, what we have suffered for. Breaking our shops, killing our brothers, burning our shops, stealing our things. And police are not doing anything. Police are holding their head, watching them killing us, burning our shops. And the government is not saying anything. We're all disappointed and we're very sad that in our continent, they're calling us foreigners, chasing us. So what we want our government to do, government must interfere before this is going to escalate. Because everybody is very sad. Like today, our shop are closed from morning till now. We also pay taxes, what our kids pay rent.
We are not happy about this mass demonstration. One of the Indians is killed, of which is the permanent citizen in our country.
South African woke up and said that foreigners must go. I keep asking myself, foreigners, black people must leave Africa. What kind of thing is that? Is it what Nelson Mandela worked for? Is it what all the activists worked for?
Taking our women away, now they're making us we're gonna shire them. Everyone let this happen. We'll do something about this.
Whose wives? My wife is in Nigeria. So what type of taking up your wives? What about jobs? I got company, I got jobs. And 10 South Africans are working for me. So they should be very, very happy that I'm here. So, and we have to, please, both the governments, both all the African countries must come together, join hands, and allow peace to reign. Thank you.
We are absolutely not happy about what is happening in our country. So please, government, consider our views. We want to know what is democracy.
We want government to do something about it. We don't want people to do business while they are not permitted. They are coming with drugs. They've got a bad influence.
Before we came here, way back in the days, there's drug in South Africa.
That means they must do something, like they must try to find something to make them right, and maybe they must just try to find a transport and move them to their homes, not like to hit them and kill them. It's not right at all.